Hey guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I found this funnel cup at one of the stores. It was super cheap. It was a couple of dollars. And I thought, man, this would be great to try for a straight pour to get some very thin lines out of here. So that's what I'm doing tonight. Let's paint. Hi guys. I found this really cool, it's a, oh my gosh, a funnel pitcher. And so I wanted to do a straight pour out of it. And I haven't been doing group classes, obviously. And I wanted to use up my paints so that they don't go to waste. I only normally hold them for about 6 months or so. And I normally use, each container as I make them when I'm in groups. But you guys always want to see how I layer in the cup. So I'm going to pour these in. I really have no regard. The only thing I had to make was the white. And these paints are my regular pouring medium. I don't know if you can see that, but they are very, very thick. So if you can see that, it's a mound on a mound. But yeah, I'm just gonna play around with these. I hope I don't get a bunch of mud, but sometimes it's fun to just play. Okay, I filled this up to the brim, and a couple of things. I can see there's like a watery layer on top here. I don't know what that one is, but I didn't shake well, obviously. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour a straight pour right in the middle. Maybe it's gonna create some cool lines. Oh, it's already starting to pour over the edges. Okay, I'm gonna have to pour a little bit slower, maybe closer. Didn't think this one through very much. I couldn't get the end. Oh my gosh. Woo, that made me nervous. Now I just hope, whoa, look on the inside of that cup. That just gave me so many ideas and inspiration. Can you guys see that? Wow. The white, the yellow, the orange, or not orange, the magenta, and the purple, some of the prettiest color combinations together. All right, let's tilt this and see what happens. I did have some paints that were a little more liquid than others, so I'm interested to see if those make a difference. Change my kind of lines that I have. Ooh, so far I think it's really pretty. So you guys can do tons of things with your leftover paints. If you have, I I'm gonna do it this way so that you guys can see it. Ooh, this is kind of dreamy looking. If you have press and seal, you can just stick the press and seal to the top of the cup, and it stays good for quite a little bit of time as long as you've got it sealed around all the edges. Okay, woo! Over a corner. This now is my favorite color combination. Well, one of them. Don't tell Blue that I'm cheating on it. I know my overhead view is probably going to be shot now because I keep twisting this around. It's not in place. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Yes. So you guys know me. I love working with the blow dryer, but sometimes this is just fun to do something different. Okay. All right, heading on down to this corner, and I had plenty of paint. This was a 20 by 20 inch canvas. That was a 500 milliliter cup of paint. And I did fill it almost all the way full. Look at how messy I am right now. Oh my goodness. Wow, that magenta and purple and yellow. Wow. Okay, last corner. I want to try to save as much of that purple as possible. It's gonna get there. I don't know if I could recreate this one again, but this is probably one of my favorite straight pours that I've done. Wow, I am in love with this. All right, let me show you. Wow. Look at how that looks lit up right there. All those beautiful lines. All those lines. Those all came from, see how many colors? I don't know if you can see it or not, but there are so many colors in that one little section. I love that corner. Wow. This is from leftover paints. And here's the cup. Inside of it doesn't look like much now, but before it was gorgeous. I love it. All right. I will show you the dried result. Who would have thought that this would be so beautiful? I mean, in reality, it was just a straight pour. The cup was just something fun to use. But the yellow next to the white, if you guys want things to look like they're lit up, that is, it's amazing. There's the gold, that little corner I loved. Everything stayed exactly the way that it was. I'm in love with this. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.